Have you ever felt the weight of financial stress? The constant worry of how you're going to pay your bills, or if you'll ever have enough money to live the life you want. You're not alone. Many people around the world face the same struggles, feeling stuck in a cycle of lack and limitation. But what if I told you that there's a way out of this cycle? What if I told you that you have the power to change your financial situation, starting right now? Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into how you can manifest money and abundance into your life using the law of attraction. Think about it, every day, you wake up with the same worries. Will I make enough money this month? How will I ever get out of debt? It's a never-ending loop of fear and anxiety that not only drains your energy but also clouds your mind, making it hard to see a way out. You might have tried saving, budgeting, even working multiple jobs, but nothing seems to bring the peace and financial freedom you're craving. And it's frustrating, isn't it? It feels like no matter what you do, you're just treading water. But here's the good news, there's a different way. The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts and emotions are incredibly powerful, and that we have the ability to attract what we focus on. Joe Dispenza, Dolores Cannon, and Neville Goddard, three of the most influential figures in this field, have shared life-changing insights that can help you break free from financial limitations and create the abundant life you deserve. So, how exactly can you do this? How can you shift from a mindset of lack to a mindset of abundance? Let's dive into some real-life techniques that you can start using today to manifest money and change your financial reality. First, let's talk about what's really holding you back from attracting the money you desire. It's not just your circumstances or your job or even the economy. It's your subconscious beliefs about money. Most of us have been programmed since childhood to believe that money is hard to come by, that it's the root of all evil, or that we don't deserve to be wealthy. These limiting beliefs are like invisible barriers that keep us trapped in financial struggle. Joe Dispenza explains that our subconscious mind controls a staggering 95% of our behavior. If your subconscious is filled with negative beliefs about money, then no matter how hard you try consciously, you'll keep manifesting the same financial problems over and over again. It's like driving a car with the parking brake on, you can press the gas all you want, but you're not going to get very far. But here's the empowering part, you can change these beliefs. By reprogramming your subconscious mind, you can break free from these limiting patterns and open yourself up to receive the wealth and abundance that is rightfully yours. Meditation and visualization. Start with meditation. Joe Dispenza's research shows that meditation allows us to access the subconscious mind, where we can begin to rewrite those old scripts. Visualize yourself living a life of abundance. See yourself receiving money, feel the joy and freedom it brings. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a powerful way to start changing your internal dialogue about money. Positive affirmations. Neville Goddard taught the power of the spoken word. Repeating affirmations like, "I am a magnet for money," or "wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly," can start to overwrite those old, limiting beliefs. The more you say these affirmations, the more your subconscious mind starts to believe them. Daily journaling. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write down your thoughts and feelings about money. What fears or doubts come up? Then, challenge those fears. Replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I'll never have enough money," write down, "I always have more than enough money to meet my needs and desires." Reprogramming your subconscious mind takes time and consistency, but the results are worth it. Imagine living a life where you no longer worry about money, where abundance is your natural state. That life is possible, and it starts with changing your beliefs. Let's talk about emotions. When you think about money, what emotions come up for you? Fear? Anxiety? Maybe even anger or frustration? These emotions are powerful, and they're directly influencing the financial reality you're experiencing right now. According to Joe Dispenza, our emotions are energy in motion. They are powerful frequencies that we send out into the universe, and they attract experiences that match them. So, if you're constantly feeling stressed about money, guess what? You're actually attracting more situations that will make you feel stressed about money. It's a vicious cycle. But here's the thing, you have the power to change your emotional state. By consciously choosing to feel emotions like gratitude, joy, and abundance, you can start to attract experiences that match those higher frequencies. It's not just about thinking positively, it's about feeling positively. Gratitude exercises. Every morning, take a few minutes to think about what you're grateful for. It doesn't have to be big things, it could be as simple as being grateful for a warm bed, or for the cup of coffee you're drinking. The more you practice gratitude, the more you'll start to notice things to be grateful for, and the more you'll align yourself with the frequency of abundance. Living in the end, this is one of Neville Goddard's most powerful teachings. Instead of hoping or wishing for more money, imagine that you already have it. How would you feel if you were already wealthy? What would you do differently? Start living as if your financial dreams have already come true, and you'll begin to attract the reality that matches those feelings. Emotional rehearsal. Joe Dispenza suggests a practice called emotional rehearsal. Close your eyes and imagine a future scenario where you have achieved your financial goals. Really feel the emotions associated with that success, the joy, the relief, the excitement. By rehearsing these emotions, you condition your body to believe that this reality is already true. Changing your emotional state might feel challenging at first, especially if you're used to feeling stressed about money. But remember, you have the power to choose how you feel. The more you practice feeling abundant, the more you'll attract abundance into your life. Now, let's clear up a common misconception about the law of attraction. Some people think that all you need to do is think and feel positively, and money will just fall into your lap. But that's not entirely true. While your thoughts and emotions are powerful, action is the bridge that connects your inner state with your external reality. Joe Dispenza teaches that once your mind and emotions are aligned with your desires, you'll naturally feel inspired to take certain actions. This isn't about forcing yourself to do things out of fear or desperation. It's about taking inspired action, actions that feel good, that come from a place of alignment and excitement. Think about it, when you take action out of fear, like working a job you hate just to pay the bills, that energy is filled with resistance and lack. But when you take action from a place of inspiration, like starting a project that excites you or investing in something you believe in, that energy is filled with abundance and possibility. And the universe responds to that energy. Listen to your intuition, continued. Dolores Cannon emphasized the importance of intuition. When you're aligned with your desires, you'll start to get intuitive nudges, feelings or ideas that guide you toward your goals. Pay attention to these nudges and act on them. They are the universe's way of showing you the path to abundance. Maybe it's a sudden urge to call a friend, attend a seminar, or start a side hustle. These aren't random thoughts, they are signals to take inspired action. Trust them and move forward with confidence. Create a vision board. A vision board can be a powerful tool to keep your goals in focus. Find images, quotes, and symbols that represent your financial desires and put them on a board where you can see them daily. This visual reminder keeps your mind aligned with your goals and keeps you motivated to take action. Every time you see it, you reinforce your intention to manifest money and abundance. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Once you have a clear vision of what you want, break it down into small, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to pay off debt, your first step could be creating a budget. If you want to increase your income, your first step could be updating your resume or researching new job opportunities. Taking small steps consistently builds momentum and brings you closer to your goal. Stay open and flexible. The universe often delivers abundance in ways we don't expect. While it's important to have a plan, it's also crucial to stay open and flexible. Be willing to adjust your actions based on new opportunities or insights. Sometimes, the path to financial abundance isn't a straight line, and that's okay. Trust that the universe knows the best way to bring your desires to fruition. It's important to remember that inspired action is not about forcing yourself or hustling relentlessly. It's about taking steps that feel right, that resonate with you on a deeper level. When you act from a place of alignment, not only do you manifest money more effortlessly, but you also enjoy the process of creating abundance. So, take a moment to ask yourself, what inspired action can I take today that aligns with my financial goals? And then, go do it. Even with the best intentions and practices, it's not uncommon to hit roadblocks on the path to financial abundance. You might be doing all the right things, visualizing, feeling grateful, taking inspired action, and yet, you still feel stuck. It's frustrating and can make you doubt whether the law of attraction is working for you. Let's talk about some common obstacles that can hinder your ability to manifest money and how you can overcome them. Often, these challenges are a sign that there's still some inner work to be done, but don't worry. With awareness and persistence, you can break through these blocks and open the floodgates to abundance. Impatience and doubt. One of the biggest obstacles to manifesting money is impatience. You want results, and you want them now. But manifestation is a process that requires trust and timing. Neville Goddard taught the importance of faith and patience in the manifestation process. If you're constantly checking to see if the money has arrived, you're sending a signal to the universe that you don't believe it's coming. Instead, focus on the feeling of already having what you desire and trust that it's on its way. Fear and negative self-talk. Fear of failure or fear of success can be a significant block to manifesting money. Negative self-talk like "I'll never be rich" or "I'm not good enough to make more money" reinforces scarcity. Joe Dispenza recommends replacing these thoughts with empowering ones. Whenever a negative thought pops up, consciously replace it with a positive affirmation. For example, "I am worthy of wealth" or "money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways." Lack of clarity and focus. Sometimes, the obstacle is simply a lack of clarity. If you're not clear about what you want, the universe can't deliver it to you. Take some time to define your financial goals clearly. How much money do you want to manifest? What will you do with it? The more specific you are, the easier it is for the universe to deliver your desires. Attachment to the outcome. Another common obstacle is attachment to a specific outcome. When you're too attached, you create resistance. Dolores Cannon emphasized the importance of letting go and trusting the process. Instead of obsessing over how or when your financial abundance will come, focus on living your life and enjoying the journey. When you let go of attachment, you allow the universe to work its magic. Remember, obstacles are a natural part of the manifestation process. They're not signs that you're doing something wrong, they're opportunities for growth and refinement. The key is to stay persistent, keep your vibration high, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Every challenge is a stepping stone to greater abundance. We've covered a lot today, from understanding the power of your thoughts and emotions, reprogramming your subconscious mind, taking inspired action, overcoming obstacles, to hearing real-life success stories. Now, it's time to bring it all together and start your journey to manifesting money and financial abundance. Start by setting clear financial goals and reprogramming any limiting beliefs about money. Practice gratitude and visualization daily, and listen to your intuition to guide your actions. Stay persistent and keep your vibration high, even when challenges arise. And most importantly, trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Remember, you are not a victim of your circumstances. You are a powerful creator capable of manifesting anything you desire. The journey to financial abundance isn't just about money, it's about becoming the best version of yourself, living a life of joy, freedom, and fulfillment. So, take the first step today, believe in the power within you, and watch as the universe conspires to bring you the wealth and abundance you deserve. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to hear about all the amazing things you manifest in your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who could benefit from this knowledge. Let's create a community of abundance and help each other thrive. Until next time, keep manifesting, and remember, the power is in your hands.